In the previous video, we knew how the rat trap sailor stole the money from the cottage. In today's video, we will know how he felt after stealing the money and how he got caught in the forest. As he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. See the line. As he means the rat trap sailor. As the rat trap sailor walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased means happy with his smartness because he had cheated the old man with his smartness. He felt that he befooled the old man by stealing his money. That's why he felt happy with his smartness. See the line. As he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. His smartness to cheat the old man, to steal his money. He realized, of course, that at first he dared not continue on the public highway, but must turn off the road into the woods. See the line. He means the rat trap sailor realized, of course, that at first he dared not, he did not have courage. Continue means to continue his walking. At first, he did not have courage to continue his walking on the public highway because he was afraid of being caught on the public highway, but must turn off the road, and he thought that he must deviate from the road. He must leave the road into the woods, and he thought he must go into the woods so that he might not be caught easily and he might reach the safe place safely. During the first hours, this caused him no difficulty. During the first hours, the rat trap sailor didn't have any difficulty. He did not face any problem, and everything was easy for him. Later in the day, it became worse. But later in the day, it became worse. It became very difficult for the rat trap sailor to continue his walking in the forest. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction, but the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. See, now he was lost in the forest. He could not find the way to come out of the forest. See the line? He tried to be sure. Actually, in the forest, he became confused. He could not find the right path to come out of the jungle. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction so that he might come out of the forest. But the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. But the paths in the forest twisted back and forth so strangely that he could not find the right path in the right direction. He walked and walked without coming to the end of the wood, and finally he realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. See, now he was totally lost in the forest. See the line? He walked and walked. He continued to walk without coming to the end of the wood, of the forest. He continued to walk without coming to the end of the wood. And finally means in the last, he realized, the rat trap seller realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. All at once, he recalled his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. See, when he was lost in the forest, he remembered his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. See the line? All at once means immediately. He recalled the rat trap sailor. Recalled means remembered his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. Now his own turn had come, and he realized that his own turn to be caught in the rat trap had come. He had let himself be fooled by a bait and had been caught. See the line. The rat trap seller realized that he had let means allowed himself be fooled means to be befooled by a bait. A bait means here the bait of the money of the old man, and had been caught. The rat trap sailor realized that he had allowed himself to be fooled by the bait of the money of the old man and had been caught in the rat trap. The whole forest with its trunks means trees and branches, its thickets Thickets means bushes. And fallen logs closed in upon him like an impenetrable means impossible to pass through or enter prison, from which he could never escape. Now see, the rat trap sailor realized that he had been caught in the forest, and he felt that the forest was like a rat trap. See the line? The whole forest with its trunks means trees, with its trees and branches, its thickets, its bushes, and fallen logs closed in upon him. See, the rat trap sailor felt that the whole forest with its trunks and branches, its thickets and fallen logs closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison, from which he could never escape. For him, escape was not possible. See, what a tragic situation the rat trap was in. Now he realized that there was no way to escape from the rat trap that was like an impenetrable prison. In today's video, we knew how the rat trap sailor was caught in the forest. The rat trap sailor realized that the forest was like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. In this way, the rat trap sailor was tempted by the bait of the money of the old man, and ultimately he was caught in the rat trap.